Hello my friends, are you ready to experience the magic of 360-degree scenes? Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Blockade Labs' creation an AI-powered tool that allows you to create stunning 360-degree scenes with just a few clicks. This tool has become extremely popular among game designers, VR enthusiasts, and 3D environment creators, and now you can try it too. To get started, simply visit the Skybox Lab website by clicking the link in the description or comment section below. Once you're there, you'll see a clean and user-friendly interface. Type in your prompt. Then, you can choose from a variety of different styles and see which one suits your needs the best. Once you've found the perfect style, click on the Generate button and wait for the AI to create your 360-degree scene. Please note that due to high demand, the tool may take a bit longer to generate your scene than usual. But trust me, it's worth the wait. Once your scene is ready, you can click and drag on the screen to rotate it around, and scroll to zoom in and out. You'll also see options to download and share your scene, so you can show it off to your friends and colleagues. But that's not all, there's also a Remix tab that allows you to further customize your scene. You can experiment with different styles and create something truly unique. And if you want to use your scene in Blender, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll show you a quick tutorial on how to use your scene in Blender. First, you need to change the file extension of your downloaded file. Search for .gif and change it to .hdr. Then, go to the website to convert it. Now open Blender and go to World Properties. Click Use Nodes and select Environment Texture. Select the world and click on Open to choose your file. That's it. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please subscribe and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below to let me know what you think. See you in the next one.